Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create an animation in Canva using AI tools. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva, and first of all, I'm going to create background image for my animation. I'm going to use AI tool to create the background. So we can go to the apps menu. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the apps menu, and you have to search for the Mojo AI. Just type in this app. Okay, and we're going to use this AI tool to create background, and we can write the prompt right here. You can type your ideas. You can type in what you want to generate with this AI, and I'm just going to paste the prompt I have just created. Okay, right, and after that we're going to choose the art style, and I'm going to select this one guys, this anime style, and scroll down. And before you generate the image, you can select an aspect ratio, and I'm just going to select this one and click on create masterpiece. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to go back to my design, and this is the image we have just generated with the AI, and I'm going to zoom in to fit the screen. And after that, I'm going to add element to this design. I'm going to go to the element, and I'm going to search for the fairy. Okay, and choose the element you want to add to your design. I'm just going to add this one. Okay, and if you want to animate, you can tap on the element, and then you are going to go to the animate. But I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to place it right here, and then go to the animate, and you are going to select tools and click on create animation. Okay, and here you need to select and drag an element around the canvas to create your animation, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you like this. Okay, and we can click on done. Okay, I guess then that's all the way to create an animation in Canva using AI tool. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.